This is your time. All my Aquarians. Good things come. All my Aquarians. I need all my Aquarians. No, we ain't gonna ride it because this line's gonna be too long. All my Aquarians. Okay. What we're gonna do, we're gonna have a birthday dance, but what we're gonna do, we want y'all to spread out because the line's gonna be too long. So just spread yourselves out on different parts of the floor. All right, we're gonna do this different way this time. Just spread yourselves out. Go on back. There's a whole bunch of floor back there. Go on back. Just spread yourselves out. Just spread out in different areas. Just spread out. Go on back a little further. There's plenty of dance floor back there. Go on back a little further. Go on back. Everybody on my left side, if y'all can get off the dance floor, if you're not an accordion, please move back just a little bit, please. I just need all my Aquarians on the dance floor. All right, yeah.
Are you Aquarius? No, get off the floor.
Okay, now what we're going to do, all Aquarians right here, now this is what we're going to do, y'all. We're going to do this in a nice way. These are all our Aquarians. Everybody on the side, grab yourself apart. Now what we're going to do, as they dance, just cut in when they dance. Just tap on the shoulder and just cut in. Because it's going to be too much of a line. All right? So all my Aquarians, raise your hand. Y'all move back. You got to put in the room. Y'all bust all up. Move on back. There you go. Hey, DJ, hey, let me accent. That second, Oh, that switch over. I need to have the other light turned on. Do this another way, all right?
It ain't too bad we going all the Aquarius. It ain't too bad we should going all the Aquarius. Y'all should
I got you covered, baby. For all your friends. All you gotta do is just cut. Tap on the shoulder, cut. Happy birthday, all my Aquarius. And I want you to stay on the dance floor when you get finished. I got something for you. The one we never had before. Just cut. Happy birthday to you. Just tap on the shoulder, cut y'all, cut. Happy birthday, Aquarius. I need all my female Aquarians to the front. All my female Aquarians. Yeah, female Aquarians. I'm gonna stay in the front. I got something for y'all. Female Aquarians. Let's give all our Aquarians a round of applause. Happy birthday to you. Thank you so much for spending a little with us. And all my female Aquarians, I got something for you. All right? It's all. Okay, I need all the Aquarian females in the front. Hold your light. Stand by. I need for you to take a picture.
Tell everybody, get out of the way.
Everybody else who's not Aquarian, without a light, you ask you please put it down for this time.
Step back.
This is why we took an extra hour. We can take you all this. Okay, we gonna need y'all to step back toward the center. Step back toward the center.
Step back towards the center.
Okay, yeah, put the tape in front of you. Okay, very good. Yeah, you have them all, Charles?
You gotta move. I'm working to take a picture for Bird.
And we also have a special Aquarian. Our security guard every Sunday. Let's give him a round of applause. This is he protects us every Sunday. His birthday is the day before, look, your birthday was Thursday. These Christian stories. He's Aquarian too. You don't want to see it. You don't know who gonna get this. A baton for a baton. A nice stick for a nice stick. Happy birthday, fellow Aquarians. Thank you so much. And wave me in, wave me in. Yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. I guess it's that time, huh? Yep. Okay. What you doing? Are you taking the order, Swami?